Hey everyone, so I thought, or thanks to Nia, I thought we would come on and do a little video. I might just move this down a bit more so you can see what we're doing. But I wanted to come on and just chat about the kids' oils. So these are an amazing new product line that doTERRA just launched in September in their global convention. So I wanted to show you how awesome it is to have our kids involved with oils and using them to support their bodies using these new blends that doTERRA came out with that are really amazing, not just for kids but for adults as well. So we're going to go through them together and Nia's going to demonstrate how to use them. So what I love about these oils is that they actually come with cannabers so that you can I think I am butchering that word. I totally forget what they're called, but where you can actually have your kiddos hook them on their backpack, and they have fun colors so they can color code them by, they'll know that this is for this one. You can ask them to grab the color, so it's really, really cool that way too. And it comes with a card deck to show you how to use them. So we're going to use this to just break down the oils and show you how we use them and what oils go into them for that use. So do you want to start with red first? We'll do the colors of the rainbow. So they all, you want to hold up some of them? So they are all in the colors of the rainbow, and they're such beautiful oils. So first up we have, what's the red one, honey?
Stronger.
So Stronger. Do you want to tell them what Stronger does?
It helps you feel better when you're sick, and what's the
I think that's it.
Yeah.
So Stronger is the children's protective blend, and like Nia said, it helps you feel better. So we use it for supporting the immune system and just really helping boost the system. Obviously, when this is happening, she definitely contracted something from school, and so we use this. So where do we like to apply Stronger?
On your bottoms of your feet.
Bottoms of the feet. And where else has Mommy done it?
On my neck.
On your neck or on the spine. So we like to do it there, and it has beautiful oils in it that are really gentle. So that's the whole key. There is a protective blend that doTERRA has called On Guard, but it is a more, I'd say, aggressive oil. It just has spicier oils in it, which are totally fine if they're diluted down properly for kids to still use. But I love that doTERRA came out with this kids line that definitely has gentler oils in it for little bodies. So it has in it based in fractionated coconut oil, because that is so important. We want to be diluting the oils down with kids, so doTERRA took out the guesswork for us and has them pre-diluted for us so that they can use them with safety in mind. So it has coconut oil, cedarwood, litsea, frankincense, and rose essential oil. So if anyone knows, rose essential oil is one of the most sought after oils. It is very expensive. It's so beautiful. It's the highest vibration oil that exists, and they put that into the kids blend. So I like to steal this because I think it's amazing that they have rose in a kid's Stronger blend and supporting their immune system that way. So that is the first one, Stronger. And like Nia said, bottoms of the feet, spine, especially if they don't feel well like this one, I would suggest using it morning and nighttime to help support them. So you want to do the orange one next?
Yeah.
And again, on the cards here, they take away the guesswork so that you just need to get the oils and they will show you how to use them. So neck or bottoms of the feet to add boost or protection when you are not feeling your best. Okay, so the orange one is Brave. And this is probably my favorite one from the collection. It's the Courage blend. And
it's my favorite one.
It's your favorite one too. So where do you like to apply Brave?
Probably on my wrist, on the bottom of my feet.
Yep. So yeah, I like to do it on the wrist. And again, these cards are kind of just for a guidance, but it says before new or different situations or to start your day, roll Brave onto your tummy. So we start this, we put this on you before you go to school, right? So you can roll into the tummy or the bottoms of the feet for the bottoms of the feet for a boost of courage and confidence. So this is my favorite smelling oil, and it does have in it, it has coconut oil, wild orange, amyris, osmanthus, and cinnamon. So very beautiful oils. Those together just create this beautiful blend. And again, not just for kids. I totally use it as an adult too. So just roll it on the wrist and then rub it in. And take a nice deep breath. So that one's Brave, and then we'll go on to the yellow one, which is Thinker. So this is another really nice blend to put on their little body.
For school.
Exactly. So this is the Focus blend. So doTERRA does have an adult version. It's called In Tune, but this is, again, gentler, right? These oils are a lot gentler for kitties. So it has vetiver in it, which is really great for focus. It has peppermint, clementine, and rosemary. And rosemary is another good one for focus. So,
I love rosemary.
So where do we like to roll this?
Probably on your wrist or your feet.
We do this one. Remember, we do it
behind your ears.
Yeah. So I like to do it behind her ears, just because obviously that's where your brain is, and you get that benefit as close to your brain as possible. So that is the Thinker blend. And again, let me just see, I'll just read the card quickly. When it's time to get creative and focus, roll Thinker onto the back of your neck to support your mind and enhance learning. And now we go on to the fourth one, which is called
Steady.
Steady, good job. So this is the grounding blend. So this is what Angelica said, Brave smells so amazing. It totally does. I love it the most. So the Steady blend is the grounding blend. So this is right up my alley because I love Balance essential oil, which is the kind of adult version of the grounding oil. But I am so drawn to those root oils. So when we think of grounding oils, it's really something that grows in the ground. It's rooted, it's connected to the earth. So it can help keep you connected. So in this oil, it is amyris, balsam, fir. It has coriander and magnolia. So magnolia was an oil, it's a floral oil, and it was just launched this past September at doTERRA's convention, the oil itself, and now it's in the kids blend. And so it is such a beautiful femme oil, and I love that they put it right into this kids oil already. So for this, where would you want to roll the steadying blend, do you think, or the steady blend?
I like it on my wrist.
Yeah, the wrist. I like it. I just put it on my wrist, actually, but you could put it on
my feet.
I was going to say the bottoms of the feet to really help root you. You can roll on your neck, it says, to calm and comfort your emotions. So think of Steady as the blend to use when your kids maybe are having a meltdown, or they're having a hard time really coping with their emotions. This is really going to help ground them, like it says on the bottle. Okay, now we'll do the blue one. Do you remember what that one is?
Yeah. Rescuer.
So this one is the soothing blend. So it's the kids kind of muscle blend, if you will. So I saw another use for this, and I'm going to tell you after, or show you after what to do. But this is great for sore muscles. So if they're running, they're playing around a lot, right? This is going to be great for soothing their little sore muscles. So she dances on Thursday night, so that would be a good one to use afterwards to just help with her muscles afterwards. So after running, jumping, or playing, rub Rescuer onto your legs, feet, and back to soothe the active body. So this one has fractionated coconut oil, copaiba, it has lavender, spearmint, and then another oil called xanthoxylum. So again, roll it on the sore muscles, but it has such beautiful oils in it too for helping support feelings and all that. So I'm going to show you one other way to use it. So again, rolling it directly on any problem areas. So sore muscles, if they have growing pains or anything like that, definitely roll it on location. But one way to get another benefit of it would be to roll it on the palm of your hand. And you can do this as an adult. And then you're going to take your fist and breathe in. And you can really get the benefits of it that way too. It's really opening. It's going to really help clear any emotions and all that. And it's really going to help with the spearmint too, and really give you a clear voice. So I love that about this. So it's not just for muscles. Totally give that a try. So just, again, roll in the palm of your hand. Then you can even spread it on the body afterwards. So that is the fifth one. And then we will go to the last one. We'll end with
Calmer.
She's totally just beside me now. So Calmer is the restful blend. So this one stays in Nia's bedroom because how do we like to use it?
Probably on the bottom of your feet before bed.
Exactly. So we use it before bed. So roll into the bottoms of the feet and onto your wrist, climb into bed, and take a deep breath to let your mind rest. So that's what we like to do with Calmer. And let's see the oils in it. It has lavender, cananga, which I'm pretty sure is a sister to, I'll have to double check, but I'm pretty sure it's a sister to neroli. It's got Buddha wood and Roman chamomile. So these are beautiful oils to really help support rest and relaxation. So again, roll on the wrists or on the bottoms of the feet, and even the spine I like doing as an area, and really rock out a calmer vibe with that. So this is the kids collection. It is seriously so gentle, so amazing, so many awesome oils in it. And I'm glad that they're available now for purchase. So in the US and Canada, and I can see us using these a lot and having, you know, just all the benefits for little kiddos through these amazing products, and support them in a natural way, which is really what it's all about. So message me if you have any questions. For those that are kind of curious about oils, I wanted to include Nia in this just to show you how awesome it is to have your kids involved. But if you are considering getting started with oils, there's a great promo going on this month where you actually get $50 in free oils. So let me know if you know that's an interest of you or of yours, and if you want to send me a message, please let me know, because that could totally include some of these awesome products. So thank you so much for helping me out, Nia. I hope everyone is having a beautiful weekend, and we'll go get oiled up now, right? Okay, talk to you all later. See ya.